Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again. To cure your SAT woes, we're going to be doing evaluating statistical claims, experiments, and studies. Category EVA is the shorthand. Level hard, category B, where we have a chart and we have to think about how useful that chart is for the question. A store owner wanted to study the relationship between time spent in store and the number of items purchased. For the study, he tracked 100 customers at random. The table displays data about the time they spent in the store and the number of items purchased. For the 43 who spent less than an hour there, which of the following is the largest population to which the results of the study can be generalized? Okay, so we tracked 100 customers, but we're only seeing the 43 who spent less than an hour there. So I guess people spend a long time there. Most people spend more than an hour in a store. I don't spend that much time in stores usually. So is it A, all customers in the store, B, the 43 customers in the table, C, all customers who shop for less than an hour, and D, the 100 customers in the sample? So we want to go as broad as we can without going too broad. But in this one, because he's tracking random people, that's great. He's doing 100 people randomly, and there's no parameter, like it's not only people who do an hour or less, even though that's what we see in the chart. And it's not only people who shop on Fridays or something. We can actually extend it all the way to all customers in the store. It wouldn't be just the people in the table, it wouldn't just be this, and it wouldn't be C, because there are 57 people he tracked who did more than an hour, so he has data on that as well. It'll be A. The chart's here almost to throw us off, to waste our time, and you just want to understand the fundamental here is however big the pool is and however wide you're studying the random sample, that's as broad as you can go. So if you're only going to be doing people an hour or less, that's all you could do. But here, since we're doing more people than that, we can do all the customers. I'm going to give you one more we'll do together, then I'll leave you with the third one that I do in the compilation video on evaluating statistical claims and experiments and studies. A coach wanted to study the relationship between his runner's favorite color and their mile speed. For the study, the coach chose the runners at random. The table displays the information for 40 of the runners in the study. Which of the following is the largest population to which the results of the study can be generalized? A, all runners who like yellow, red, or blue. B, all runners. C, all runners the coach coaches. And D, the runners in the table. So again, there's no limit for the coach in terms of time, right? Because we're under 6, between 6 and 8, and more than 8. And this is just showing us these colors, but it could be all the colors. We're not told he's only studying these colors. So I think the issue people would have is they would choose all runners, but the limiting thing here is that the coach is choosing his runners, right? So it's his students or trainees or however you want to call it. So it's really not all runners in general, it's all runners the coach coaches. For whatever reason, there might be a correlation there with color. Okay, so here you want to be careful and think about where we're getting the sample from. We're getting it only from his runners, not from all runners in general. All right, so now I'll leave you with a last one to do on your own. Let me know if you have questions on any of these. I'd be happy to explain. And if you want to see the answer for this, you can put it in the comments and I'll let you know. And also in the compilation video, I go over this exact question. A teacher wanted to study the relationship between a student's scores and the number of hours that a student studies. For the study, the teacher selected 70 students at random from his classes. The table displays the information for the 50 students in the sample who studied no more than 6 hours. Which of the following is the largest population to which the results of the study can be generalized? A, all students who scored above 70 points in the round. B, the 70 students in the sample. C, the 50 students in the sample that studied no more than 6 hours total. Or D, all students in his classes. So try this one out. Let me know how it goes. I hope these were fun for you. I think they can be fun, but I know a lot of people find them tedious. So I hope the sun is shining where you are, and if it's raining, I hope it's cleaning your windows and watering your plants. Bye.